From this video, you'll learn how to record MIDI using a MIDI controller in Cakewalk Sonar. The model that I'm using is Yamaha i455. Your MIDI controller could be different. For my controller, I need a USB A to B type. The USB A type goes to the back of my computer and the USB B goes in the MIDI controller. Once your connections are done, now you can launch Cakewalk Sonar and open a new project. Once you open up a new project, go to top left, click on edit, then go to preferences. In MIDI you will see devices, click on devices and make sure that in the inputs your digital keyboard is checked. Click on apply and hit close. Now load a MIDI track, click on the plus icon. I'll select the SI electric piano. Click on create. Hover over the lower part of the track and then drag this down. Here you will see the input, click on this. Then go to digital keyboard and select MIDI Omni. Now when you press the keys on your MIDI keyboard, you will see the audio meter glow up. To record the MIDI, arm the track for recording. Click here. Then you can click on the record button on the top to start the recording, or you can press R on your keyboard. Press spacebar to stop. You will see your recorded MIDI clip. Double click on it. Click Shift plus D to full screen. You can quantize the MIDI by right click dragging, selecting all the MIDI, then click on Q on your keyboard and then you can select your resolution and then click on OK.